right? Yeah, so at the end of this lesson I want from you that everyone will be able to create the simple a website like this, but this is a simple one. We will run the professional one where we will discuss for each element how we can insert this mark or animation words, how you can insert this video in this photo in your program, how you can create a form. We will create the professional form and attractive form. We will also learn how you can create a list, either ordered list or unordered list, as you see on College of Ghana's University and campuses. Then how you can insert now link in your HTML program, and also how you can create a table in your HTML program. So those are ones to teach you in this lesson. Please, what you need to do now is to subscribe to this channel so as to access for all lessons as well as possible. So hello everybody, I would like to welcome you back to GWO Computer Tutorial channel, my channel, your channel, our channel. So in this video I would like to share to you learning objectives of this HTML programming language. So I would like to share to you what you will be able to do after learning these lessons. So this is like the summary of what we are going to learn. As I told you, these previous 5 lessons was about the introduction to HTML, but now we are going to jump into professional coding, right? We are going to learn how we can develop web applications, website, right, by using HTML program. So what you need to do is to stay here from first lesson until last one. So to do that, you have to make subscribe and open the door of notification by clicking on the bell, so as to get all notifications from this channel, right? So let us start. Let me show you all elements of this simple HTML website, right? Yeah, you know the syntax of HTML program. This is our title. Welcome in a new lesson, right? Then in head we declared the background of our program, right, by using style tag, right, where we put the background of our website, which is light blue, as you see here. Yeah, you can change it now. Yeah, after we close our head, means that to create the background of website we have to make it in head section. As you see, this is our end of the head, our open head is here. That's why we make the creation of style in this head. So after that, we create what we call mark. Mark is all about the animations. When you want to make animations, we have to use this mark. So this behavior, it shows how this mark seems like, and also direction where it comes from and go where, right? And in background the color, which is red, right? And this animation is GWO Computer Tutorial statement. I will show you in the output, right? Then this statement, as you see, it's all about image. Image is equal path of image. Then for width, which is equal to 104, and height, which is equal to 142. This is all about the image. Then after that, you see, this is what we ran in the previous lesson. Heading. I declare this statement by using heading 3. I make it bold and underline. This we will learn it in the formatting lesson, where you can use underline, bolderic, italic, and so on, right? Yeah, then I now created the login form, simple form for login. This is the simple form for login, right? Yeah, it means that in our lesson we will also learn how to create a form, or like interactive form. But this is a simple one we create as professional as possible one in our lesson. After that, as you see, I reach to the list, right? You see, now I create another statement by using heading 2 with bold and underline that show us we are going to deal with colleges of Uganda, list of colleges of Uganda. And then to create a list, we have the two choice in list. We can use ordered or numbered list or unordered list. So here these colleges are written by using ordered list, but these campuses are written by using unordered list. As you see, here is another list and it's ended here, right? Yeah, that is. Then, and also after finish this another list of campuses, we get to this statement says that if you want to visit our URL website, you can click here. This is where you can create the link in your website, right? This is a link that allows you to access to the website of University of Uganda URL, right? By using this A tag, anchor tag, and end with this one, right? So this is also another link that can allow you to access to my channel, which is GW Computer Tutorial channel. So you can click to this link, and then after here we created the table. We created the table. Also we learn how we can create the table in HTML program, right? You see, first of all you have to use table tag, right? You have to use a table tag. Yes, to use a table tag here, this one, table and bolder, which is show the how bold the table will be. And then create table headers, it's like titles, and then insert data in that titles. So don't worry, we'll run it. What you need to do, as I told you, is to subscribe to this channel and open the door of notification by clicking on the bell, right? So let us run it to show you an output. I can now use website. Let me use Chrome right now and show you an output. You see, this is an output of our program. First of all, this is the image. I showed you how you can insert it. This is what's called, this is represented by, let me show you somehow. This one is one represented by this mark, because as you see data, this is the animation, right? So it's represented by this mark, right? Then you see this is the image represented by this image statement here, as I showed you. And also this is the statement, this is the simple lesson. You see, this one appear here. This statement is this one, right? This one here. So, and also you see, after this we get to the form. This form, as I told you, is this one. Start from here here name, password, by using this code, this short code. This one it represents this login form as you see here, right? Then after that you get to the list. This list is, this first one is the ordered list you see on colleges of Rwanda's university. This list of the ordered list. Also on the campuses you see is an ordered list here for this one. I hope you are get it well. For another list on campuses, as you see in heading to campuses, heading to this output is these campuses. Then if you want to visit us, right here you can click on this link. Means that here these links, this link here is represented by that word here, visit, right? This visit here, right? Because this is the name of this link as you see in here in ample tag, a tag, right? Also for visiting G-Double Computer Tutorial, this channel is represented by this link here, and I called it the G-Double Computer Tutorial as you see here, and you can see its name here, G-Double Computer Tutorial, right? Then other thing to know here, it's about this table. This table it's created here, right? Starts by table tag, and this border equal to 10, it determine how this border of this table will display, right? And our table has around seven table headers, which is 6 CE, KVM, KIST, CMSS, CAS, CB, and CAF, right? As the colleges of University of Rwanda, right? So it's represented by table row, and then table header, right? It's represented by this one, from table row to table row, but table headers as titles of our table. Then this one, the last one is this information is in our table entered by using table row, then table data here, female, and these numbers. From this is our second row, this is our first row, right? Yeah, so this is a general output of this program, right? Yeah, so at the end of this lesson, I want from you that everyone will be able to create the simple a website like this, but this is a simple one. We will run the professional one where we will discuss for each element how we can insert this mark or animation words, how you can insert this video and this photo in your program, how you can create a form. We will create the professional form and attractive form. We will also learn how you can create a list, either ordered list or another list, as you see on College of Rwanda's University and campuses. Then how you can insert now link in your HTML program, and also you can create a table in your HTML program. So those I want to teach you in this lesson. Please, what you need to do now is to subscribe to this channel so as to access for all lessons as well as possible. So this is the end of our today's presentation. I would like to share you what we learn in our program. So you see, when I click on like this link, I will get on GDouble Computer Tutorial channel as this link says, right? Yeah. At the end of the day, I will get to GDouble Computer Tutorial channel as you see. As you see here, this is the GDouble Computer Tutorial channel. That link, it's allow me to get there. You see, these are the different videos from this channel. I can now access for whatever you want. So is how that links can help your audience to get whenever you want to show them, right? Yeah, that is. So thank you for watching this video. Let me hope that I will see you in the next one.